What if the secret to lasting wealth has been hidden in plain sight for thousands of years? Have you ever wondered why some people effortlessly build fortunes while others struggle despite working just as hard? Here's the truth. It's not just about how much money you make, but how you manage it. And that's precisely what The Richest Man in Babylon reveals. Timeless financial wisdom that transforms lives. Imagine ancient Babylon, a city brimming with wealth and opportunity, yet filled with people grappling with the same financial challenges we face today: debt, lack of savings, and uncertainty about the future. These struggles connect us across time, proving that the principles of building wealth are universal and eternal. In today's video, we're diving into the 7 most impactful lessons from The Richest Man in Babylon. These principles have helped countless people achieve financial freedom, and by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to start your journey toward wealth and security. Stick around because Takeaway 7 reveals the secret to long-term wealth that most people overlook. Before we dive in, please remember to hit the subscribe button if you're ready to take control of your finances and build the life you deserve. Let's get started. Pay yourself first. The first and most transformative lesson is deceptively simple. Pay yourself first. In the book, 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗁, the wealthiest man in Babylon, shares this timeless wisdom. A part of all you earn is yours to keep. But what does that indeed mean? It's about prioritizing your savings before anything else. Most people think, I'll save whatever's left at the end of the month. But let's face it, there's rarely anything left. Here's a story to illustrate this idea. Imagine 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗁 as a young man barely scraping by, deciding to save just 10% of his income, no matter how small. Over time, his small savings grew into a fortune, enabling him to seize opportunities and achieve financial independence. Let's apply this to modern life. Say you earn $2,000 a month. Setting aside 10%, just $200, before paying for anything else will create a financial cushion that can grow into significant savings over time. Here's a practical tip. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a savings or investment account right after you get paid. This ensures that you're consistently paying yourself first, building a habit that forms the foundation of wealth. Think of it this way. Every dollar you save is like planting a seed for your future. With time, these seeds grow into a forest of opportunities, whether starting a business, investing, or simply achieving peace of mind. Paying yourself first isn't about sacrifice, but securing your future self's freedom. Live below your means. The second essential lesson is equally vital. Live below your means. 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗁 observes that no matter how much people earn, their necessary expenses often rise to match their income. This is what we now call lifestyle inflation. For example, you get a raise and suddenly feel justified upgrading your car, buying the latest gadgets, or dining out more frequently. Yet at the end of the month, your savings remain stagnant, or worse, non-existent. Here's the cold, hard truth. Your wealth will never grow if you don't control your spending. 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗁 teaches us that wealth isn't about earning a high income. It's about wisely managing what you already have. Even a modest income can lead to lasting wealth when paired with disciplined spending. Consider this example. Sarah earns $3,000 monthly but saves $500 consistently. On the other hand, John earns $5,000 but spends every penny. After a year, Sarah has $6,000 saved, while John has nothing. Who's in a better position? It's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. Here's a practical tip. Track your expenses. Use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet to see exactly where your money goes. Once you spot areas of unnecessary spending, like unused subscriptions or frequent takeout, you can redirect those funds toward your savings or investments. Living below your means gives you control over your financial future. It frees you from the stress of living paycheck to paycheck and opens the door to genuine economic freedom. Remember, wealth isn't built through flashy purchases today, but through creating a secure and abundant future. Make your money work for you. The third crucial lesson from The Richest Man in Babylon is that your money should work as hard as you do. 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗁 teaches us that saving alone isn't enough. True wealth comes from putting your money to work through smart investments. Think of your savings as tiny soldiers. Each dollar has the potential to bring back more dollars if deployed wisely. Why is this important? Inflation silently erodes the value of money left idle in a savings account. Instead, your savings should grow through income-generating assets like stocks, real estate, or small businesses. This is the magic of passive income, earning money even while you sleep. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you've saved $5,000 and invested it in a diversified portfolio, earning an average return of 8% annually. In 10 years, that $5,000 could grow to over $10,000. This is the power of compound interest. Your money earns returns, and those returns generate even more returns over time. Here's a practical tip. Start small and stay consistent. You don't need to be a financial expert to begin investing. Apps like Acorns or Robinhood allow you to dip your toes into the stock market, while low-cost index funds or ETFs offer a safe way to grow your wealth steadily. The key is to start early, even with small amounts, and let time do the heavy lifting. Remember, financial freedom isn't about working harder, it's about making your money work harder. Start deploying your financial soldiers today and watch your wealth grow. Seize opportunities and take action. The fourth takeaway is all about mindset. Opportunity waits for no one. 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀 emphasizes that procrastination is the greatest enemy of wealth, leading to missed chances that could have transformed your financial future. Here's a compelling example. The stock market plummeted during the 2008 financial crisis. Those who recognized the opportunity and invested in undervalued stocks reaped enormous gains in the following years. But those who hesitated or let fear hold them back missed out entirely. The lesson? Hesitation can cost you dearly. 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀 illustrates this with a story of a farmer who delayed repairing his irrigation system. When a drought hit, his fields withered, while his neighbor who acted promptly harvested a bountiful crop. The takeaway is clear. Inaction leads to lost opportunities, while bold, decisive action leads to success. Here's an actionable step. Practice making quick, informed decisions. When you're presented with an opportunity, don't let fear or overthinking paralyze you. Evaluate the pros and cons, seek advice, and act swiftly if the opportunity arises. Whether it's starting a side hustle, investing in real estate, or learning a valuable skill, leap. As 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀 wisely says, action will conquer fear. It's often the boldest moves that yield the most significant rewards. Training yourself to seize opportunities can unlock many possibilities and secure your financial future. Seek wise counsel. The fifth key lesson from the richest man in Babylon is to seek advice only from knowledgeable and experienced people. 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀 warns against taking financial advice from people who lack expertise. Would you trust a carpenter to give you investment tips? Of course not. Yet many people make this mistake, relying on well-meaning friends or family members who may have little understanding of wealth building. 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀 illustrates this with a cautionary tale. A man who entrusted his savings to a bricklayer to buy rare jewels. Unsurprisingly, the jewels were worthless, and the man lost everything. The moral: seek guidance from those who have succeeded in the field you're navigating. This could mean consulting financial advisors, following credible personal finance experts, or reading books by seasoned investors. The right advice can prevent costly mistakes and guide you towards smarter decisions. Here's a practical tip. Verify the credibility of your sources. Before making any significant financial decision, seek multiple perspectives. For example, if you're considering investing in real estate, speak with experienced investors, study market trends, and familiarize yourself with potential risks. The more informed you are, the better your financial choices will be. Remember, wisdom is a valuable asset. By seeking counsel from the right people, you can confidently navigate financial challenges and avoid pitfalls that can derail others. Protect your wealth. The sixth takeaway focuses on a critical aspect of financial success. Protect your hard-earned wealth. 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀 teaches that while growing wealth is significant, safeguarding it is equally vital. He warns against high-risk ventures, get-rich-quick schemes, entrusting your money to individuals with questionable reputations. The book emphasizes the importance of guarding your treasure. This means diversifying your investments, conducting thorough research, and avoiding offers that sound too good. For example, if someone promises guaranteed returns without risk, it's likely a scam. Consider this. Many people lose their savings by chasing unrealistic returns or investing in poorly understood ventures. 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀 wisdom reminds us that wealth, once lost, can be challenging to regain. Here's a practical step. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your money into one stock, business, or asset class. Spread your risk by investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, or even peer-to-peer lending. Additionally, always research before committing to any financial opportunity. Protecting your wealth ensures that poor decisions or unforeseen events don't undo your financial progress. 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀 says, better a little caution than a great regret. Safeguarding your money is an essential step toward lasting financial freedom. The power of consistency. The final and perhaps most overlooked lesson is this. Wealth is built through consistent, disciplined action over time. 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀 emphasizes that small, regular efforts compound into substantial results. Whether saving, investing, or acquiring new skills, consistency is the secret ingredient that turns modest beginnings into outstanding achievements. Think of it like planting a tree. At first, progress seems slow, like a tiny sapling barely growing. But with time, patience, and care, it develops strong roots and grows into a towering, sturdy tree. Building wealth works the same way. Here's a simple example. You save just $5 a day. That's $1,825 a year. Over 10 years with interest, this tiny habit could grow into over $20,000. It's not about making giant leaps, but about taking steady, deliberate steps daily. Consistency also builds habits. When saving and investing become automatic parts of your routine, they feel effortless. The key is to stay committed even when progress seems slow, because the results will be undeniable over time. Here's a practical tip. Set specific financial goals and break them into smaller, achievable milestones. Automate your savings, regularly contribute to your investments, and review your progress monthly. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about persistence. As 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀 teaches, success doesn't come overnight, but through consistent effort, wealth becomes inevitable. Stay the course. You'll be amazed at the transformation over time. Let's quickly revisit the 7 transformative lessons from the richest man in Babylon. Number 1. Pay yourself first. Prioritize saving at least 10% of your income. This simple habit is the cornerstone of financial security. Number 2. Live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation and manage your expenses wisely. True wealth comes from how you handle your money, not how much you earn. Number 3. Make your money work for you. Invest your savings to generate passive income and take advantage of the power of compound interest. Number 4. Seize opportunities and take action. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back. Act decisively when opportunities arise to unlock growth and success. Number 5. Seek wise counsel. Learn from experts and successful individuals. Avoid financial advice from those without proven experience. Number 6. Protect your wealth. Safeguard your money by diversifying investments and removing high-risk ventures or scams. Number 7. The power of consistency. Build wealth through small, disciplined actions repeated over time. Persistence is the key to long-term success. If these principles resonate with you, imagine the impact they could have when you put them into practice. These are more than just financial tips. They're life-changing habits that can help you escape the cycle of debt, build wealth, and secure your future. I highly recommend The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham to expand your financial knowledge further. This timeless book offers invaluable insights into smart investing and teaches you how to grow and protect your wealth with disciplined, long-term strategies. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, sharing which takeaway resonated with you the most. Your engagement helps us build a community of action takers and lifelong learners. Remember, small, consistent steps today can lead to significant financial changes tomorrow. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep moving forward. I look forward to seeing you in the following video.